In this video, I'll be showing you how to make custom movement animations for your Roblox game, which will include jumping, running, walking, and any other action you can think of. To get the complete copy-pastable script, just go down in the description of this video, click this link of my Discord server, and the script will be available there.
Yes, sir!
First, we're locking in our movement speeds and grabbing the Roblox services we need. This is like setting up your toolbox before building. Everything we do next depends on these. Now, we're grabbing our player and making spots to store our animations. Think of this like preparing empty shelves for later. We'll fill them with running, jumping, and falling magic. Here's where the real fun starts. We're building a custom movement system for our character, hooking into the humanoid so we control exactly how it moves. We're loading our custom animations, run, fall and jump. Each one gets a priority, so Roblox knows when to play which. This is like teaching your game 3 new tricks in one go. We set our walk speed, then hook into jumping. When the player jumps, boom, we instantly trigger the jump animation and stop falling if it was playing. Next, we detect falling. If you're mid-air, we switch to fall mode and stop everything else. Once you land, animations reset, ready for the next move. Here's a pro move. We make sure we don't accidentally connect movement logic twice, so one like double running bugs. No one likes double running bugs. This is the brains of our movement. We track the player's speed every frame. Too slow, stop running. Moving fast, start running. Smooth and automatic. We don't want Roblox's boring default animations getting in the way, so we shut them down completely. Finally, we hook everything together. Whenever the player spawns, the custom system kicks in instantly. Boom! Fully working pro level custom movement system for you guys.